In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open a Revolut account in France. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use the Revolut mobile app to set up your account in France. You will be able to make payments within France itself or to other currencies and outside countries. So all that you have to do is download the app. You can go over to the website and tap Get the App, and this will redirect you into the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store, depending on which device you are doing this process on. So look for Revolut in the respective store, and once you download the application, you will be able to start the sign-up process. So when you open the application for the first time, they will guide you through all of the features included, ready to change the way that you money, easy to pay at home and away, they have their own card, send money near, far, to other currencies, grow your savings, invest, and so on. Once you see all of this, just tap on sign up at the bottom right corner of the screen, and the first thing that you have to do is include a valid France phone number. You can choose from any of the regions available here, but assuming that you have an active French phone number, just tap that option. Now, once you enter the mobile number, you will be able to get this process started. The first thing that you have to do is verify the phone number by receiving a text code. Once you include this text code, you can actually start. So, confirm your country of residence. Once this is confirmed, you will be able to proceed. Now, sadly, for this video, I will not be able to show you this process in full on screen because it contains a lot of personal information and it's going to differ for every single region. You have to do this on your own time. Carefully read through all of this, and as long as everything looks valid and legitimate, because it is going to be verified later, you will be able to proceed. So after you include your country of residence, you will be able to enter your full name, so first name, second name. Next, choose a Revolut tag, which is how they refer to your Revolut account. Then you can include a date of birth, confirm your home address, and enter your email address. Once everything has been valid and legitimate, verified, you will be able to take a selfie to register it to your account and for account safety and more security, and finally choose from any of the available plans after you set up a PIN to access your account. After you choose a plan, you will have access to all of the features in Revolut. You can get higher cost plans besides the free one to access more features, but the standard one should be enough to start using Revolut in France. I hope I was able to help you on how to open a Revolut account in France. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.